If your firm has less than 15 people, but you're constantly low on time, you're stressed, this video is for you. So today we're going to be breaking down a case study on how this M&A firm went from daily burnout, chasing leads, doing a whole bunch of admin work on the front end while wasting thousands and thousands of dollars, to spending less than 15 hours now on that same task while making significantly more money and saving it at the same time. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is a really quick before and after on three different metrics. One is the amount of leads they were getting prior to installing a system that actually works with them instead of just costing them more money every month with no actual return. So over 4 months, they had 2 manual leads, or 2 qualified leads from doing manual work. The second month they had 0. The third month they had 3. And then in the last month, the fifth month, they had, well, you can kind of see right there, 2. Now, once they installed a system in the back end that worked with them, completely removing them from the equation, it can just work consistently in a more efficient way, they went all the way up from getting 4 leads, 5 leads, 5 leads, 6 leads, 6 leads, right? And these are qualified leads. It's not just like an idea, it's legitimate leads that they can have a conversation with. So that's one metric, which is pretty much just the amount of leads that they're getting into the business. Now, looking at the cost, you can clearly see that there is a big difference between paying a consistent $5,400 to only paying, this right here is a 10x decrease, a little bit more than a 10x, but essentially a 10x decrease in the cost of acquisition for clients. Now, the problem they were facing was they were searching for a needle in a haystack, essentially. Now, for confidentiality, I can't tell you exactly who it is because, that's kind of, invasion of privacy. They agreed to allow me to use this information, but I can't, put their name out there, obviously. But essentially, they were a team of about 3 people, and they wanted to buy boring but profitable businesses. Now, that can be HVAC, that can be plumbing, that can be flooring, whatever, right? Any trades, anything like that. Boring businesses where the owners or like the current team is getting up there in age and you essentially want to retire. So what they're going to do, they're going to come in and buy it. Pretty simple. Now, the villain of this entire situation was grinding to find the actual leads. Now, they could have just bought the leads, but then that's not. When you're buying leads from a source, chances are other people have those same exact leads offering the same exact thing. So after a while, it gets wishy-washy, right? It gets repetitive, or desaturated, I should say. Now, in order to combat that, they have to go onto Google Maps every single day. They have to click on hundreds of random businesses, go to the website, figure out if they're making any money, figure out, okay, how old is the owner, maybe get in contact with them to ask more questions. And for one business, that can easily take 30, 45 minutes plus. And then from there, they have to put all this information to a spreadsheet to be able to contact them later on. Because if you stop and do that for every single business, it's going to be a long process, right? And then by the time they finally put them on the spreadsheet and they called them, they said, no, I'm not retiring at all. Or, they got a pretty much a bad note that they could have avoided essentially by just qualifying them beforehand. But again, it's way harder to do that for every single lead, which is why, if we go back here, they were only getting this many per month, sometimes 0, right? And they were exhausted. They were spending 90% of their time searching and only 10% of their time attempting to close a deal out of an entire month. So their specialty is closing businesses, buying them, bringing them back up to speed, whatever, but they're forced to do admin work, right? So their specialty isn't even allowed to shine. It's not allowed to, they're not allowed to do their actual job because of the front end taking so much time. Now, the solution was building a digital hunter. Now, what I did was I went back and I asked them for their entire process, what they did, how they did it from step 1 all the way to step 5 and every issue they had along the way. And by them listing that out, I immediately knew how to break this down to a system that can do that same exact thing with more efficiency without them having to be in the loop pretty much. Now, how the system works is like this. Every morning at around 8 a.m., it wakes up and it will go through 1,000 businesses and check for certain criterias. Like, for example, are they a baby boomer? Is the business already 20 years old? Retirement age, they've been in it since the 80s, 70s. They're just about done now. Is the growth stagnant? Has the employee headcount been flat? It hasn't really hired anyone since 2015, and chances are it's just their cousin who is this need a job for the summer. Digital decay. Is the website outdated? When was the last time they added new pictures? Is the SEO present? Has the banner been updated at all? Has anything been touched since 2005, 2008? That's what we're checking for. And if they're growing, leave it alone, right? They're not ready to sell yet. They're still up to date. They're still going. Chances are it'll be a waste of time. But if they're decaying in any of these metrics, let's see what happens, right? Now from there, the system automatically looks up all their own information, their personal email address, their phone number, everything they need to actually contact them and say, okay, let's make it happen. And it checks how many employees they have to guess how much money they make. The system figures all that out for them. I'm not gonna get too much into detail. Again, this is only on the case study. If you have any more questions about if this can work for you, again, don't hesitate. Click the link down below. If you're watching this on YouTube, click the link in the description down below. Or if you're watching this on LinkedIn, Instagram, etc., you can just message me, comment down below, and we can set something up. So if the business looks perfect, the system sends a ding notification to the client's phone with the owner's name and email. Client being the M&A firm. Now, previously, building a list of 100 qualified leads took 80 plus hours of this manual research, typing, scrolling up and down. But with this new infrastructure, we can generate 108 verified leads in just 27 minutes. That's under half an hour to get 100 qualified leads, and it costs zero in manual time. You don't have to spend overtime. You don't have to be up at 1 a.m. typing and looking for things. 30 minutes. 30 minutes to get all this information, verified email addresses. I mean, the last time the email was verified, at the time of me making this is January 5th, and all these emails were verified in the last 2 months. So they're active right now. This is insane if you really think about it. How long does it take you to get 5 qualified leads for your business? Think about it. Now, the cost of software versus human. Now, originally they were hiring an analyst or VAs, etc., that totaled about $65,000 a year. And it took them about 3 months to see, okay, this is what they look for. This is what they want. Boom, 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 boom. They were putting a lot of time and money into hiring a human to get this job done. And realistically, they can only review about 50 businesses a day. Now, if we go back, in 30 minutes, they had 100 already verified, contact information, last name, everything you needed. 30 minutes compared to an entire shift. So it can get done double what a human can get done in an entire shift in only 30 minutes. Keep that in mind. And it costed them about $65,000 a year, maybe a little bit more. Now, option B, the software system. The automation that we created for them, it had initial one-time setup fee, which again, I'm not going to get too much into that right now. Private information, I don't want them to, But essentially, on average, I'll say this, it cost about anywhere between $1,500 to about $4,500, depending on the need in the system. I'll leave it there. And them specifically, they're running this for about $200 a month. Now that's for hosting, that's for the AI systems in the back end, that's for all the APIs, it's for the software in general. It's costing them about $200 a month. And again, it can review 200 businesses in a single day. 1,000 businesses in a single day, and it costs less than the $5,400 just about that they were paying per month for the human. So that's a 10x decrease. And look at this right here. Look at the gap every single month from this alone. Imagine what you could do if you could save 10x per month in your firm today, in your business right now. How much better could you be growing, spending it on marketing, spending it on whatever it is that you need for your business, spending it on your personal life, how much better could you be? Now, the aftermath. I mean, the client's reaction once we turned the system on, and immediately the first day they were like, whoa, I can't believe that worked. Immediately their entire lives just changed for the better. They were saving money, they were making more money, their life became easier, their business became easier. I mean, it was a turning point for them in everything they were doing. Saving money per lead. They didn't have to sit there at a desk typing. They didn't have to train anyone. They didn't have to pay $65,000 a year for a team of 3 people just to keep the business going. Now, I'll ask this one more time. If you could have a similar situation for you and your front end in your business right now, what would that look like? What would your life look like? What would your team life look like? What would your business look like a year from now? With something like this, saving you time, money, and lowering your cortisol every single month, every single day. Efficient, higher quality, less time. I mean, ideally, right? This is something that I learned. If you could have a profitable business by only working 4 hours a day, that's amazing. I mean, if you don't have to do the 9 to 5 grind for your own business, you can spend only 4 hours really working, and then you wake up at 7, 8 a.m., you work until like 12, 1 o'clock, and then from there, you're just catching up on life. You know, if you want to do more marketing work, you can. If you want to do more, I don't know, if you want to do jujitsu, Pilates, you know, if you want to visit the skiing resort for the sauna massage, I don't know. But if you didn't have to do anything in the front end, only focusing on what mattered to move the business and close the deals and make the money, how much better would life be overall? That's what I'm going to leave you with. So if you have any questions, again, depending on where you're watching this, if it's LinkedIn, message me, comment down below. If it's Instagram, same thing. YouTube, click the description down below. The case study link should be in, but depending on where you're watching it, you'll be able to find it. There'll be instructions to find it. If you have any questions, again, let me know, message me, email me. All my contact information is right here. If you want to see the case study again for yourself, it'll be linked on YouTube. If it's not on LinkedIn, you know, you'll figure it out. But again, I appreciate you for staying tuned this long. If you're on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. If you're on LinkedIn, make sure to follow. If you're on Instagram, follow again. And yeah, I appreciate you.